So if you don't know how to run Instagram and Facebook ads for your business, in this video I'm going to show you how you can run profitable ads with just 2000 naira per day using just your smartphone. So you want to come to Play Store and you want to install this app. Just open the app. You'll be prompted to log in with your Facebook account, right? So log in and click on this plus icon here, right? Then click on create campaign. Now let's say you are selling physical products. You can either use the sales objective or the engagement objective, right? The both of them works, right, for physical products. Then if you are service based, you can go with traffic, right? You can go with traffic. If you sell digital products or you want to generate leads for your business, you can go for sales objective or leads objective, right? And of course, app promotion is for those that have app, right? So I'll just assume this is a physical business. I'll just go for sales. Now this is the campaign details. You can come here and change your campaign name. You can just see new arrival, right? You can just see new arrivals. Save and continue. Once that is done, you can always edit your budget here, right? You can go as high as 10,000 naira per day if you are selling physical products, right? Now click on next to go to the asset level. Now on the asset level, this is where you select your conversion and all that, right? Of course, you can rename your asset name from here. Then the conversion, this is where you now select you to send people to, right? You can send people to either your WhatsApp or your Instagram DM, right? Now you can select your Facebook page from now. If you have set your pixels, you can use website, right? But in this video, we'll just use message destination, right? And this way you select the particular Facebook page you want to use to run the ads, right? You can select the page from here, the particular page you want to use to run the ads. This messaging app, where do you want people to send you a message? You can select WhatsApp business, right? Or you can turn off messenger, right? This means that they're going to direct people to only your WhatsApp only. Now let's say if you are a service-based business, then you can just turn off WhatsApp and just go with only Instagram DM, right? So that's why, depending on your business or offer, right? So in this video, we are just going to use WhatsApp as an example. So I just go to only WhatsApp business only. You can click on continue. Next thing is to schedule the ad, right? I already schedule my ad to run by 12 a.m. the next day, right? 12 a.m. the next day. So right, so click on continue. Then for audience, this is where you select your audience and all that, and your detailed targeting. So this is where you select the location. Let's say you are trying to set to only Lagos State. You can come here and search for Lagos, right? Search for Lagos. Um, and select Lagos, Nigeria. Click on OK, right? Now we have selected our location. Now this is where you select your target, your detailed targeting interest. Let's say you are trying to sell a product for you know let's say trying to sell a product for photographers. You can just search for photographers here, right, as interest, right? And okay, let's use this, right? So these are your detailed targeting, right? Now I advise, now when you're running ads, I advise you just leave this detailed targeting blank almost all the time, right? I just advise you leave this detailed targeting blank. All right, let AI just find your ideal um, um, buyers for you, right? But most times you can still go ahead and put interest based, especially if your pixels is new, all right, or your ad account is new, right? Just to guide the eye. Right, now this way you select your minimum age, right? You can select your minimum age, people that can afford your product and all that, right? Always leave your gender at all. Even if your product is only for women, leave it all, right? All right, you get best results when you leave your gender, or whether you're selling for just men or women, right? Click on continue. Now on placement, leave it at advantage plus placement, right? Once you approve the asset level, click on next. This is here you now impute the ad, like what people actually see on Facebook and Instagram. This is where you do it, all right? Now the ad name, you can name it whatever you want to name it with. Let's say video one outdoor skit. Let's say you did this one outdoor just to identify the particular ad, right? People are not going to see that though. Now the identity, which Facebook page you want the ad to be run with, this way you select page, right? Now ad setup, click on ad setup, click on create ad, choose single videos and images and click on continue. Ad creative, click on this pencil icon to select your ad creative. Click on single images, click on camera roll, then scroll through your phone, click on this, click done. All right, let's assume this is the picture or the flyer you want to use, right? Click on it, on done. So this way you now select, this is okay, this is headline, shout in messenger, shout with us on WhatsApp, right? You can always edit the headline here, right? Click here to order now, right? Okay, good. Okay, so then on primary text, this is where you paste your primary text, right? This is where you paste your primary text, right? But we want to show that you have provided, you have designed your flyer, get your creative, everything ready before you come here and start creating your ad. It's not when you are creating your ad, you start typing all this. You're going to make mistake, right? So this is the message template. This is the message template for your ad, and call to action is send the message, right? So this is how you can do that. Just once you have done all this, click on continue. Guys, once you have done everything, this is where you click on review to review your ad. Once you click on review, you will be able to see your ads preview, and you can click on this publish to publish your ad. Alright. If you find this video information, you follow me for more helpful video like this on how to run effective Facebook ads. Alright. Make sure you share this video to your friends too who need this, alright, so that they stop wasting money on ads. Alright. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video.